Guitar myths, true or false? We will ask you a question and you will have a few seconds to decide if it is true or false. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. You should loosen your guitar strings when not playing it. This is false. A guitar neck is designed to have string tension. You will not need to detune the guitar strings either, just leave it tuned for your next practice. Number 2. You can learn to play guitar at any age. This is true. There is no perfect age to start playing a guitar. You should at least try it, if that's something you are thinking about doing. Number 3. It doesn't matter what your hand size is to play guitar. This is true. Everybody has some difficulty making chords and moving around the fretboard starting out. Stick with it and practice. Number 4. Buy a cheap guitar if you are starting out. This is mostly false. A cheaper guitar can be very hard to play, not sound very good, and can discourage you from playing. Sure, you can start with a cheaper guitar, but buy what you can afford and look at it as an investment. Number 5. You should only buy guitars from an online store. This is false. Visit your local mom and pop music store. You will want a store that not only sells instruments but does repairs and provides lessons. Check out our latest music video to your left. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.